We have now got us a snowy downpour. Yesterday was when I did my first update on this storm, but it's back actually. Look at this. This is a downpour of snow. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it's really coming down. Picking up a little bit, it seems like. Wow, it's picking up a lot, as you can tell. Walk around a little bit. This isn't going to affect my non-waterproof camera, because this is just powder, so it's not, I mean, it's water, but it's frozen water. It's not going to hurt it, you know. There's my mom right there. Mom, I'm making a video. Look at the side yard. There's the side yard. It doesn't appear to be coming down as much over here, probably because of the roofs. It's the AC unit. Just a York. Look at the dryer vents because it's so cold. It's definitely not as cold as it was yesterday. But, right? See, it's not coming down as good back here. As you can tell. I don't know why that is. I hope I don't run out of memory. Let's see, back here it's just kind of flurrying. There's my neighbor's gas meter. If you want, I'll briefly walk over here. Alright, today's Friday. I don't feel like getting yelled at. Alright, let's see if it's still coming down as good out front. Maybe it was just because of the area. No, I guess it slowed down. Alright. I guess really that's really about it. But if it picks up again, I guess I'll film it. So hear the birds chirping. I don't know why they're chirping. Alright, so I guess that's basically about it. You can hear Zeus Matt's dog Zeus barking. Alright, that's it.